In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 2K25 on Xbox Cloud Gaming. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. 2K25 is available on the Xbox Cloud Gaming service. You can access the website at xbox.com/play, or you can find Cloud Gaming directly on your Xbox console. So go to your library of games and you will also find it there. Once you access the website at xbox.com/play, through a web browser on your computer or your phone, or you go to your library, you can use the search function and look for 2K25, and all of the options are going to appear here. So you will have Top Spin 2K25, NBA 2K25, which I believe is what most people are looking for. Then you have PGA Tour 2K25, and finally NBA 2K25, but for the Xbox One instead. I recommend you use this version here for the newer consoles. Of course, you will need a Game Pass Ultimate subscription, and you also need to play using a controller. As long as you have the Game Pass Ultimate subscription, you can click on the option here and you will start playing. Sadly, I don't have it on my account, so I won't be able to demonstrate it. But as soon as you click the option to play, you will be put in a very fast queue, and after the queue is done, you will be able to play using your controller. You can do this on a PC through the website or the native Xbox app. So if you look for the Xbox app on your PC, you can also play NBA 2K25 through here, Cloud Gaming, and you can do the exact same thing on any other platform that works with Xbox Cloud Gaming, so a web browser on a mobile device, directly on your console, and so on. The only hard requirement is the Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Make sure that you have a strong internet connection, or else the experience can be choppy. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.